last one we are going to do is called wall angels. This is a fantastic stretch, really opening up exercise for that whole mid-back area, upper back, shoulders, and chest. So with this, we stand at a wall. Ideally, you want your feet about that far from the wall. So that's about 3 or 4 inches from the wall. We are gonna lean back against the wall. Perfect scenario is that you tuck your pelvis slightly down. So there is such a thing as a pelvic tilt. There's a forward or anterior pelvic tilt, which kind of makes your butt stick out. And then there is a posterior or sort of a tucking under. So with this one, we want to tuck our pelvis under just to flatten out that lower back. So again, I'm standing with my feet that far from the wall, about 3 or 4 inches there. I'm going to just tuck my pelvis down slightly just to flatten that lower back curve slightly. I'm going to bring my head back slightly into retraction, just like I just previously showed you, so that chin tuck, neck retraction. I bring my arms up here so that they're relatively sort of horizontal. And then I just drag my arms up the wall just nice and slowly like this. We want to go ideally about 3 or 4 seconds up the wall and then about 3 or 4 seconds down the wall, just nice and slowly. Perfect scenario is that your elbows and your wrists touch the wall the entire time as you go up. Some of you will find this relatively easy. Some of you will find this incredibly difficult. If you spend a lot of time sitting all day and you collapse through here and the shoulders come forward, opening up completely like this will be difficult. That is okay. Start nice and slowly. It does not have to be perfect. It will take time to gradually change this over time. My chin comes back into retraction. My arms come out like this and I just gradually raise it up the wall. You can go as high as you comfortably can and then you just come down again. Again, we're gonna do that nice and slowly. We're not forcing any of this. If it's difficult, do not force it. It is not meant to be painful. Just do it gradually. And again, we're gonna go about 3 or 4 seconds up the wall just like that. And we're gonna go about 3 or 4 seconds down the wall like that. We want to aim for 4 to 5 repetitions of this. If there's any questions you have about any of these exercises, please feel free to ask in the comments section. If there's anybody you think would benefit from these exercises, please feel free to share this video with them. Have a great day.